Don't judge me yet. I've been collecting for a while, but I've been just stashing them. So I think it's time to get serious. I don't have any gloves yet, so it's just me and my first real storage upgrade. I do have more coins than this section. I'm just practicing. So I kind of feel like this is a good way to practice right now. Nothing too crazy where I'm not gonna, beat myself up if I come across a $20,000 coin. These are the Fainne single pocket sleeves. I went with the 2x2" because they're versatile. You get 50 in a pack. So, as an amateur, the big thing I learned is dust and PVC. These are high transparency PVC. Thick enough to feel sturdy, but clear enough to see the mint marks on both sides. They have these little slit flap at the top so nothing falls out. So here's an example. This is one of the coins that I came across that I believe is real silver. How many percent? I'm not quite sure, but I looked it up and I learned about the whole looking at the side to see if part of it is copper or maybe there's no brown marks. I mean, these are really stuck. Okay. So I learned to test out. All right, take these two for an example. Here it's kind of dull, but then when you hear this, you hear that high pitch? Sounds so cool. I'm pretty sure me touching all over these with my oily fingers and dropping it on the table, it's definitely getting scratched up, but this is just purely for my entertainment and practice on coin collection. So then, pretty excited because I have 50 of these and I get to see what's valuable here. So, step 1 done. Next step, I need to get a weight scale and magnifying glass. So I can't wait to hunt.